Okay, so we select the boundary, we switch to floor plan generation, 2-bedroom apartment, send. Now we select the next one, we type in 2-bedroom apartment, we send, and now it's gonna be done. And we can basically complete a whole block like this. 2-bedroom apartment, send, done. And this is basically insane because we're generating apartments for 2 blocks in just a few seconds, as you can see. Now, if you really get close to this, these are obviously not perfect. This is 0.5 version of this, but now you can imagine as Synapse gets used more and more, how much better this is going to get. Like in just a matter of 3 seconds, we're gonna get a full floor plan, which looks highly detailed and high end, right? So let me go over here and I'm gonna show you in more detail if you do just one of them. So one thing that you have to keep in mind when you want to generate a floor plan is that first of all, you have to choose the appropriate size based on the prompt. So for example, if you want to generate a 2-bedroom apartment, this approximately has to be somewhere between 12 meters by 8 meters. And then right here, do not have this selected. You have to toggle to the compass right here. We have to type in 2-bedroom apartment. We'll click send. And in about 3 or 4 seconds, we're gonna have an apartment set up just like this. And honestly, this is not that bad. I mean, so for example, we have the entrance here. I'll probably just flip the balcony on the other side. We have the living room, the bedrooms, the storage, the open kitchen. So this is actually pretty good of a floor plan generation and it's super quick. Now, even after this is placed, we can do all of the modifications that we need. So it's fully editable. We can increase, for example, the window size. We can get closer. We can increase this in window size as well. We can also move walls around. So for example, we can, I don't know, make this wall a bit larger on this side. We can push this over here and block it right there. And this is how easy we can generate an apartment or any kind of residential floor plan inside Synapse. Now, on top of this, this will also have furniture placed in the near future automatically, but as of now, we can go here at the asset library. We can then go ahead and obviously drag and drop some sort of furniture like this, and we can rotate this, right? This might not be perfectly up to scale, seems a little bit small, but anyway, we can put this right here, and then we can basically put this armchair right here. Let's rotate this as well. Let's put a rectangle here for the table. We can basically color pick the same fill as these over here have. And then basically we can add in any other type of furniture or edit it as we want. On top of that, we can select each room. So for example, this is the living room and it has the square meters inside of it. We can just select this. We can go to hatches and I can go ahead and hatch and add a herringbone hatch here. So I can make the scale a lot smaller. I can, I don't know, lower the opacity a bit. And now we have a very good looking hatch as well here. And basically we can do this for all of the rooms. Now, this is not perfect yet, as I said, the floor plan generation. However, it still is very fast in order just to get some idea. Even if we go ahead and do something again, so let's just do, I don't know, something like this, and we can type something like 2-bedroom apartment. This obviously just has a different orientation, but it still just gives us a very good idea in terms of what we can create in terms of floor plan. See, this one is arranged a little bit different. So as soon as you go in, it has a corridor, the kitchen is closed. If you do want, we can delete that completely. The bathroom is right there, the bedroom is right here, and then obviously the balcony. So even the balcony here, for example, we can edit with other hatches. So this is super practical, by the way. And before we move on to the most crazy stuff where we turn a floor plan, so for example this one, into a 3D render in 9.8 seconds, which is scale accurate, go ahead and check Synapse out in the first link below. If you sign up via that link, you will get 600 free AI credits for you to play around with floor plan generation and the rendering image generation, which I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So after you've generated the floor plan, or even if you've, I don't know, drawn one manually with the manual drafting tools, just like this inside Synapse, what you can do is that obviously you've modified all of the graphic design language, etc. Let's say we have something like this, right? So this is a bit better stylized. What we can do is we can go here at the camera. We can click once on the camera. We can click one more time on the point where the camera starts and another time for the angle of the camera. Then we can make this a little bit a little bit wider. If you want to see it how it's built in 3D, you can turn on the live preview. So basically now this automatically builds the actual 2D environment that we have in the floor plan into 3D, and this is how we can do a render. So first of all, make sure you have the camera selected. Second of all, make sure that the camera is inside the frame that you're drawing in. So it has to be inside here, and this is the camera that we have selected. And then next, go ahead and switch to image generation over here. And then we can type in something like living room in an apartment in high-rise Chicago with luxury furniture in dawn time with cozy lighting. Now, I know this might sound a little bit unreasonable, but most of the time what I'm noticing with prompts, especially here in Synapse, is that if you specify a certain location like I did here with Chicago, it usually has a lot of a better output. So, and as you can see, this generated the render exactly as it is on our image here with exact proportions. It's 100% scale accurate, which I think is insane. And now we can go ahead and edit it even further and test new options out. So what we can do is you can say, make windows full height, floor to ceiling, 3 meters, right, for example. And then we can send this render, and this will be done in 9.8 seconds, which I think is insane. I mean, how crazy can it get? We generated this floor plan with the AI, and then we can basically just put a camera, type in another prompt, and get an image. And I mean, we can go from idea to full design documentation in a few seconds. You can see it did the edit of the windows as well. Now, for example, what we can do is we can say, make all walls olive green, right? And we can test this out as well. And now let's see what this creates for us too. You can see how fast this is. It's basically 9.8 seconds. That's the average time of creating a render, which honestly, I think that's completely unheard of. Let's see what this has created for us. So it made the walls olive green. This makes it a bit warmer. And then we can say make chevron flooring. Right, so we can test as many options as we'd like, and this works pretty much with any room and any type of apartment. So basically we can go ahead and reiterate. So even here, for example, let's say we wanted to test more colors, we can go ahead and type in make all walls deep navy blue. By the way, you can run multiple renders at the same time to test new stuff out. It made the chevron flooring as well. We can say, for example, add a family in the sofa under a blanket, watching the TV above the fireplace. Now this might cause some trouble to the eye, but let's check this out, how good it actually is. By the way, I think even the stylizing of floor plans, even the drafting experience of Synapse is absolutely insane. At the same time, you can also invite multiple people on the same file to work with them along in real time, and you can add comments and everything in order to make collaboration a lot more fluid. So over here, it made these in deep navy blue. It made all of the walls. Let's see if it added, so it did exactly that. It added the TV on top of the fireplace, and it added a family watching the TV under a blanket. This is just awesome. I mean, how much better than this can you really get? This destroys absolutely having to 3D model, so you do not have to 3D model. You can type a prompt and add whatever type of materials you want. You see it in the flooring, you see here. On top of that, we can select the frame here. We can add an image of a sofa like I did right here, and we can say, replace the sofa with this and make it brown leather material, right? So let's say how good this makes it. So this is actually insane. I cannot believe this. This is so cool. By the way, I mean, the floor plan generation is very useful right now, as I said, to test out new options. You've seen it with these, and soon enough, as I said, we'll be able to do full apartment blocks in 10 seconds, basically. And then going from that floor plan into 3D visuals and test new stuff out like this with furniture, materials, and everything is just absolutely insane. So go ahead, check Synapse out. You can try it today for absolutely free. Plus, you get extra AI credits if you sign up by the link below. And if you want to learn more about how to use Synapse, go ahead and watch the video right here.